Moving on to the Elphaba makeup set. This packaging, I just have to say before I put it down, I love so much. It sort of represents her forest home, her beautiful nest, while also there are some little hidden cherry blossoms in there to represent their friendship and how they've changed each other. The Elphaba makeup set consists of a new lustrous liquid eyeshadow in the shade Elfie. This beautiful golden green earthy tone that I love so much. You can create graphic shapes with it, or also you can like buff it out, and it's this gorgeous little shimmer. Now we have the Elfie cheek and lipstick in the shade Braverism. And of course, on the Elfie packaging, we have the inverse of the color story. We have little pink flowers on this green. Beautiful packaging to represent how the girls have imprinted on each other, of course, which is this beautiful winey plum shade Love. We have the Defy Expectations lip liner, and we have the Elfie Glossy Balm in the shade Wickedness. And this one also has an exclusive scent of rose macaron.